Hi there, it's Sim from Heirloom Naturally. We grow heirloom vegetables and seeds in the field without chemicals in Mansfield, Victoria. And for the last week here in Mansfield, we've had really high temperatures, quite high heat, so mid to high 30 degrees Celsius. In fact, we've probably been closest to the high, so 38, 39 degrees for at least the last 5 days. And today I'm here with my hat, my sunglasses, my shirt, and flies galore because we're still around the 33 degree mark. So it is quite hot, it's sticky, it's humid. It's really not a nice time to be in the market garden or farming, but when you choose this sort of lifestyle, you have to do the good with the bad. So we're out here today preparing beds because I have everything crossed that at the end of this week we're going to receive another decent dump of rain, potentially up to 50 mils. So that's quite a lot of rain and something that we here won't miss, the opportunity to put new beds in, to germinate new crops, because that rain from Mother Nature really helps to germinate them and to settle them in for the next few months of what is likely to be quite extreme heat. So the reason that I wanted to talk to you today was to show you the compost that we use on our beds. We use regenerative agriculture here at Heirloom Naturally, which means that we try everything to make sure that we leave the soil in a better condition than it was when we found it. And for anyone who's followed our story will know that when we purchased this particular property, it was just a vacant paddock that had been overgrazed and was really quite run down from a soil perspective. So we are working very hard to regenerate that soil, and compost is the key to how we do that. So I'm going to just pause this for a minute, turn the camera around so that you can see the compost pile that's behind me, and I'll show you why I'm so excited about compost and why you should also be so excited about compost in your own garden. Okay, so there it is, our lovely compost, which if I come in here is looking pretty dry on the surface. And in fact, if you looked at that, you'd probably think, wow, that could use a little bit of water at this point in time. But let me come in and just start to come in and dig just a little bit below the surface, and look at the colour of that compost, just full of gorgeous moisture. And that's why we love compost here at Heirloom Naturally. It's a great way to retain moisture within your soils. The worms love it, the microbiology loves it, and it's a perfect, easy way to add organic matter to any soil that's depleted or otherwise. So that's why we love compost here at Heirloom Naturally. Eat well, stay well, and most importantly, stay cool this summer.